Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Favreau, and you are welcome to my blog. To join and be my subscriber, you just have to click the like button, the share, and the subscribe. But don't forget to press the notification bell so that you're gonna be more updated. Today I'm gonna be in Bestvirw Park here in 115 Bestvirw. And this is another trail adventure for me and my husband, who is in here. I'll show you. There you go. He's there with me. Say hi. Yeah. So we're gonna be right back to check out all this wonderful Bestvirw Park. This is the outside part. Outside of the Bestvirw. Yeah, that's the Bestvirw. And this is there's a sign here that no access for the maintenance vehicles only. Okay, this is the entrance of the Bestvirw Park. You will see a nice sliding vicinity on that part, and it looks like there's a tennis court here. This is also another first time adventure in Bestvirw. So this is a nice tennis. You can play it with your kids. There is also a fountain. This is the Bestvirw tennis court. There. That's the Bestvirw tennis court. This is the park on that side. That's the park on that side. And this is the entrance here. This is the entrance of the park. And there's another trail here. And my husband is reading something. Let me see what is in here. Oh, this is the map of the Bestvirw Park. Yeah. That's the map. And this is the so that's the map. You see the map there a while ago. And now we are in the middle of the forest where we don't know where they are. My husband keeps on looking and checking. Maybe he forgot something. Oh, there's a house there on the side. Because this is in the middle of the, I think in the middle of the residential. Because you can see there's lots of house on the side road. On the right side, on this side, on the right side, there's some house there hiding or covered, I mean, by the tree. This is going down. There's lots of bugs here. Other one wants to go with me. This is the inside part of the park trail. Husband keeps looking at me. He's quite far from me now. Oh, there's like a tree there with branches. Today is a little bit cloudy, not that windy, so it looks like it's gonna rain later. But the temperature is 30 degrees. So feels like, 28, but it feels like 30 degrees before we left. If you want to go for dog walking, there's a dog walking there too. Dog walking. So this is nice, calm place. There's in the bottom of the tree. There, nice maple leaves. That's the maple leaves. That looks like lots of maple leaves here on the bottom. And another kind of leaf. And there's another hidden trail on this way. Look, it's a narrow road. And There's like a bridge here. I hear the water, but I can't see it. There's a London Bridge here. Oh, there's an information about German Mills Creek. Let's see. What's in this one? And there's a sea here. There's a creek. There it is. And there's a life saving stuff there. There's a 911 if you need it. We are in the London Bridge. Creek. There's a creek there. There's also some bench if you want to sit down. Over there. When we last at the ride, there's also bikers. There you go. No, lots of bikers in this area, lots of walkers. Dog walkers, so there's another 2 roads here. That's the left and the right. And then there's another information there. Forest succession. Yeah, there's a lot of information around the road. So, my husband choose the right one. The last one. Oh, see, the bikers are there. See, there's the bikers there. Which is this? I guess this is the end sequence. And then we found out that that's the street. There are lots of cars over there, so we decided to go on the other side of the street. Oh, I mean on the other side of the road. Yeah, and there's also a lot of people walking their kids here. There's a biking. See, there's a bridge there. With a sign. And there's a caution. Cyclists, please dismount at bridge. Cyclists, please dismount at bridge. And slippery when wet. Yeah, so the cyclists have to be careful here. This is another bridge, guys. And another water creek over there. There. Creek over there. So winter time, it's not good for this one. But there's another bench there to sit down. When you have problem there on the walking on the bridge, so you can come here. And look, maple leaf again. Maple leaf there. Lots of leaves. Different kind of leaves. This is nice people come to this. Lots of people all over the place. I don't know what kind of insects. And this is a railroad. A rail again. You know, like another province style road with a bamboo on the side. See the bamboo on the side. And there's a car parked on the top. There are 2 ways again. The left and the right. So we went on the left. And there's a Don River way here. Yeah. Now we're walking under the road. And lots of bikers, so you have to be careful here. You don't know if there's a bikers on the back. And there's some sign there. And some rock that is covered by the net. And there's more here on the other side. Creek on the side with rocks. And this is like only rocks on this side. That's a creek. So, it's like a turning road here. There's another hidden trail here on the side going up. But my husband decided to go on this turning track here. Like a zigzag on this side. There you go. Like a zigzag. It's like a zigzag in this one, and there's a couch here. In the middle of the road, there's like an emergency stuff there too, because there's a creek there. So we're thinking about to take care of other people too, just in case somebody wants to jump there. There's a nice scenery here. I don't know what this one, but that's it. That's the one here. It's like a tower for electricity, guys. I don't know exactly. Lots of flowers on the side there. And I hear that airplane. Taking his time again because I'm quite far from him. We are in the middle of the forest, or we don't know where is it. And that's the tower there. That's 3 of them. The 3 of them there. That's my model. My husband is my model. Look. I don't know this area. Let me know too. So good luck to both of us. Look at me there. This is the 3rd like a bridge style, but with the stuff on the side. Let me take a picture of myself, guys. Let me go in the middle. There we go. Get. If you want to go for jogging, you can do it here. Some people doing jogging here. There's another one here. I don't know what is this thing. A road going up. There's a street there already. There's a cars, and there's a bridge on the top. Lots of bikers. We'll have to stay here. There. Pagod to. There's a nice view here. Yeah, under the bridge again. Lots of writing, lots of... Yeah. Have a beautiful day. Yeah, have a beautiful day. And then smiley on the end. Go. Huh? Hi there. It was funny. It was a Saturday morning right now, afternoon, and we went to the trail that we thought that it's a Bestview, but unfortunately it is not. Yes, it's not, because the one that we went is a Shepherd Avenue. Now we're going to Bestview. My husband is arguing with me now. So yeah, now we're going to the Bestvirw Park, and this is the Leslie View Trail. After a long walk, guys, this is it. There are 3 trails: Leslie, Bestview, and Shepherd. Now we're going to the real Bestview. Okay, come and join me. This is it. There is this is the trail with lots of bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. That's it. All of a sudden we got the best view. And we went to the 2-in-1 trail again, guys. It's a German Mills Creek. I think half of it, the one that we went, is the Bayview. I mean, it's the Shepherd, and half of it is a Bestvirw Park. So we went half and half. Going to the right, where we turn right, is we did not recognize that it's a Bestvirw, it's a Shepherd Park now. And yeah, this is a Bestvirw Park. I featured this a while ago, the views. Now didn't hear vehicles prohibited by law? Really? Vehicle prohibited by law? Yeah? I don't know about that. Thank you guys for staying with me on my trail walk. This is the edge of the trail. On my back, you can see that part, this one. Welcome to Bestvirw Park. So we are at the edge. I hope you enjoy our trail. I would say that this trail has more bridge and more sign, so you have to wear your running shoes, or it's better for you if you come here with a friend. go for with the bike, with the mountain bike, I prefer. And yeah, you can start the adventure here. And also there's a nice park for your kids at my front where you will enjoy. There's a nice park over there with like a bumblebee or whatever you call that one. Yeah, your kids will gonna enjoy here. There's a different kind of park here. Yeah, there's a play park there, and this is a nice view in the front. Before we're leaving, I just need to turn you on there, and this is the park. This is the park. Yeah, and thank you for coming with me. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. My name is Favreau, and see you soon on my next trail. Just want to ask if you like more trails or some more tutorials on my next vlog. Please leave a comment below and let me know. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.